Close your eyes. I have a surprise. I have a Christmas present for you. Early Christmas present. Are you ready?
Early? I thought you already got stuff.
I can't really hide these, so cover your eyes. All right, follow me. Just walk forward. You're doing great. You're doing great. All right, you can open them.
No freaking way!
Yeah.
What? How did you hide this from me?
Well,
Which card?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Shook right now. Oh my god, these are beautiful.
Yeah?
Who are the Fucare? Which one's mine?
The one on the left. The other one's mine. I just put a bow on it. Just to know. How's it feel?
Awesome. It's so comfortable.
Are you excited? 30 miles. They go 30 miles an hour.
30?
Yeah.
That's good.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas. We got.
Thank you so much.
Whoa, easy, easy. Whoa, where are you going? Whoa, I don't know about in the house, Bubba. We're gonna go up the mountains. Easy.
It's got the power.
It's got the power. All right, let's go to the mountains.
Thank you, Bubba. So stoked about this bike that Maxie got me. It's 7-speed, has 2 batteries, not just one. It goes 30 miles an hour. It came with this lock as well. Obviously this back area for cargo, backpacks, the suspension, you can open it or lock it. Whether you're on-road or off-road, you can adjust it accordingly. LED headlight for the times that you want to go out and ride your bike at night. You're also going to get another set of keys for your battery. It's removable so you can charge inside your house. Another awesome feature about the one that I got is it has front and rear disc brakes. What? Brake light?
Oh yeah, that's dope.
Safety first.
It's
one of my favorite features.
The dash is pretty nice,
it's
honestly.
Beautiful.
And you can change the power mode on here as well, all the way up to power 5.
If you press this foot button right here, it will actually walk itself. In case you get tired.
All right, so I'm pretty stoked about the one I got for myself, obviously. So this is the Libra. This one's really cool because it honestly has a passenger seat here. Yeah, it says max load 40 kilograms. I'm not sure how tall of a load that is, but it's a decent sized load, I think. I like this rear taillight a lot on the Libra.
It definitely looks
very clean. It's nice and brushed look. It's got the front and rear disc brakes on this as well. It doesn't have the adjustable front suspension, but it does have the shocks. And this one actually comes with off-road tires. It's also a 7-speed, just like the other bike. I also really like the dual rear shocks on this one. Obviously, it's for the off-roading, and you're gonna need it if you're hitting some good hill climbs or whatever, trails. It also has the 5 power modes. It goes 30 miles an hour. It's a dope bike. I really like it. I'm excited to ride around. I'm gonna give it a test and try to do a couple hill climbs. This is like a crossover between a bicycle and a motorcycle, I kind of think. The fact that the wheels, the tires are so big, it gives you that motorcycle feeling. You guys aren't gonna believe this, but these bikes, the Gemini is $1,500 and this Libra is actually less than that.
And $1,500, $1,400
for a brand new
electric
vehicle.
Yeah,
you can
I said that.
Pick up chicks on this bike if you want. Just saying. I mean, I'm a taken man, but I'm saying if you're a single man, you can definitely pick up chicks on this bike, without a doubt. Easy, easy. You ready, Justin? I'm going for the hill climb right here. Oh God. Okay, I didn't come out here to wuss out.
Wait, is that a good idea?
Yeah, why not?
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Nah.
Yeah, you will.
There's a hospital in whatever that is. All right, let's do this. Ah, shit. One more attempt. on top of the wall. Holy macaroni.